Hello everyone, this is Sasha, aka Your Frugal Friend. And earlier today, I was looking on Insight Factory for just different product ideas, and I saw that it's the trending custom starter pack portrait kind of ChatGPT generated meme thing had been listed on Etsy and people are buying it. So if you don't know, the custom portrait niche is really popular on Etsy with wedding, pet portraits, couples portraits, stuff like that. And so this is just another way to tap into that market. It's trending on social media if you haven't seen it yet. And so I said, I can do that. So I'm going to teach you guys how to do it too if you wanted to tap into this niche. This product was listed today, and it's selling for $4.80. This one's selling for $17, 20 views in the last 24 hours. This one's, oh, that's that same one. And then we see like these just popped up. So if you wanted to get in on this hot trend, maybe promote it on social media, you can create this own product yourself and sell it as a custom product. So how do we make this product? Well, we will go to ChatGPT. So just know if you're trying to make an exact portrait of a person, ChatGPT won't do it because OpenAI has had, famous people go, we don't want you to duplicate our likeness. People can use it for nefarious purposes. So there's a bunch of variations I created of myself, but none of them actually look 100% like me. And, I could also do this like the examples where it's more of a cartoony one. And interestingly enough, cartoony versions of people look more like the person than this. This person would have just they would have generated the body and stuff in ChatGPT, and then they're probably taking the person's face and doing like cleaning it up and finishing it off in Photoshop. So that's probably how they're doing this one, because they say it's a 24-hour turnaround time. And I would assume that this person is doing this, finishing up this product to look exactly like the person with Photoshop. With that said, these cartoony versions of people are selling too. And it's just really easy to make this in ChatGPT, and doing it cartoony is way easier than trying to make it look exactly like a person. But I'll show you how I did it to create myself. And so if you don't know about me, I RV in the summer. I have a truck. We travel all summer long, and I just really like RVing, and it's something that we do all summer. And so the things that I put in my starter pack was my branded coffee cup. My husband actually bought me one of these for my birthday one year. Sunglasses, my phone, and you see here, it's exactly like my phone. And then I have a truck, and then an RV, and then me. It looks a lot like me except for the face. Everything else looks a lot like me. So, but what I did is I was changing it up. So I fed ChatGPT a bunch of pictures of myself. And then I said, please create an image of an action figure in packaging based on the reference photo provided. The package should be labeled Sasha Starter Pack. Use the attached photos for reference of the female character's face. She has brown hair, green eyes, and is dressed in a retro t-shirt with jeans. She is a thin and tall build. She has tattoos only on her upper left and right arms, which I do in real life. And she comes with a mug of coffee with Your Frugal Friend written on the coffee cup, one pair of sunglasses, a cell phone, a truck, and an RV. And include a limited edition sticker on the top corner, but make sure the sticker does not cover any other text. So this is what it gave me at first. And I wasn't happy with the face. So I said, recreate but make the figure smile and remove the forearm tattoos, because I don't have forearm tattoos. And so I'm just trying to see if it'll do what I say. So this is a little bit closer. I liked how this was retro and cute. I really like this. It's more cartoony. I could also say make more cartoony or make me look like a Barbie, stuff like that. But then I did it again. I said recreate by including the entire body of the figure encased in clear plastic. It didn't include the entire figure, but if I'd given it a picture of me standing, I know it would do it. You can tweak this prompt and do a lot with it. So you could take this, and I could take this and say recreate recreate the figure as a Barbie inspired doll. And then we could see what we get. All right, so as you can see, it made me more of a Barbie doll, but it did cut off the action figure box. So I could always just tweak my prompt to make it do exactly what I want. So I'll throw this prompt underneath this video, and I'll also throw other prompts underneath this video too for you to try out. And if you do decide to sell this as a product or service, let me know how that turns out in the comments.